In the Getting Started section, click Create Campaign button on SMS. Enter the name of your campaign. Name field is for your reference only and helps in identifying different campaigns. Feel free to use any naming system you prefer, although there's no character limit for names. We recommend keeping it under 70 characters for optimal visibility. In the sender field, input the name that will appear as the sender in your SMS campaign, numeric or alphanumeric. To view a list of available senders, click the Sender Plus button on the right. The sender list will show up. Choose any pre-registered sender's name, depending on your target country. Add recipients. You can do it manually or select them from your contact book. To do it manually, type a number into phone number field. You can add as many numbers as you want. Alternatively, you can add recipients through your contacts lists. Hover your cursor onto contacts icon. Click on the contact book. Choose the contacts you want to add from the list and press Apply. Added contacts will show up in the recipients field. Enter your message up to 765 characters. In the message text field, choose a plan that fits your contact list size and recipient country. Set the time frame for sending messages to temporary contacts. A longer period increases the likelihood of reaching all contacts. Include options like considering the SMS stop list for insights on message rejections and receiving email notifications upon campaign completion. See how your SMS will appear to recipients. And send a test campaign to your phone number for final verification. Use the preview zone to ensure all fields are correctly filled and settings are appropriate. Click Send. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first SMS campaign on the BSG platform.